There are no 2 days equal to each other. I shouldn't have said that. I think it sounds very cheesy. You will cut it, right? It's very hard to describe how each day is because they're very different.
Currently, I'm working on a project on application security domain, but in the past, in last 2 years, I worked on a lot of projects from different business domains, from finance to identity access management. So it's really diverse.
One day you're doing your standard routine of projects, meetups, stand-ups, design session, ideation and so on. The next day you're doing a hackathon, you're cycling around the streets of Dublin to test a particular platform you're working on, and the following day you're out playing hurling in Ringsend Park.
I'm a DevOps cloud engineer in the DOC. It's a branch of software engineering team where we'd help projects set up their infrastructure. You know, we'll have a daily stand-up where we kind of plan what to do and what we did yesterday. And then after that, it could be completely different to what we did the day before.
I was working for a bank in Turkey before joining the DOC. I was interested in working on different technologies, and actually the problem I was facing with the bank, you work on the same project for a long time. You don't have a chance to work with different technologies.
So I worked actually in the bleeding edge in innovation in many different industries. The difference was that you were working on one particular industry at a time for quite a period of time, several years. In the DOC, you are able to do that at scale across many different industries in a much shorter space of time. So hugely exciting.
Yeah, it's fairly kind of flexible time here. Like as long as the work is done, you can kind of go out a little bit early if you have a match that evening or something, which suits me perfectly.
In my team, I try to take down all the hierarchies. I think that if you want to innovate, the diversity and you know the fact that everyone has the same voice is very important. Okay, otherwise you don't innovate. It's very important to be able to listen to the people that are, you know, younger and closer to, you know, the reality of things.
This was my first time working abroad, so yes, I can say I was really nervous and anxious about it. But the culture here is really inclusive. I know there are workplaces that you need to prove yourself as a woman. You have to prove your engineering skills. I think the multinational structure of the DOC, it really helped. And also, I don't know, people are generally just very nice.